Hello guys, welcome back to another great video. This is not my kind of video, but I have something that I want to share with you guys. Look at this, these are all my trades from yesterday, both on Binance and Bybit. These are all in profits. If you want to trade and you have not signed up for Bybit or Binance, scroll down to the bottom of this video and you will see a link that will take you to the correct sign up pages. I personally trade on both platforms, Bybit and Binance, and don't forget that when you use my referral link, you will receive up to $4,000 in bonus on Bybit and over $700 on Binance. And also, if you want to take part in trades, join my Telegram channel with this link. Me and my team release daily trading signals and some other trading tips. I recently funded these two accounts, and I am hoping to grow them to maybe $50,000 or more. So if you want to join me on this journey, kindly visit our Telegram channel. These are some of the results from our signals, and I recently found out about this strategy that has been working very fine, I think, with the result I have been getting and what I got from back testing this strategy. I will be able to achieve my goal of turning this smaller account to $50,000. I made a new account on both Bybit and Binance and funded them with $300 each, and I am looking forward to seeing what I can achieve with these two accounts. So if you want to join me and some other of my subscribers on Telegram, use this link, and also don't forget to use my Bybit link to claim your $4,000 on your first deposit. So guys, let's look at some of these trades and why I took them. But before then, please give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. I will be sharing my daily trade results and some other educational videos as well, so make sure you stay tuned.